Metal, an abundant resource on which our entire lives depend on, with all of its roots being traced back to the Earth's crust. We heavily rely on our foundry sector for all the casting processes, and in our bid to support the foundries. We at Shamlax have been in the service of the foundrymen since 3 decades. With an increasing footfall in the global market, our ingenious solutions have benefited various foundries in the agricultural sector, the automotive sector, in harnessing the wind energy, and even in the mining industry. Centrally located in the heart of India, with a total landmass of 40,000 square feet. We are an ISO 9001-2015 certified company, with a dedicated group and a common goal in sight. Our team Shamlax is committed to helping foundries cast a better future, with a wide range of products, including coatings, sleeves, and fluxes. We cater to both the domestic as well as the export market across the globe. With quality as our criteria in degree of excellence, our team ensures that all parameters are being taken care of. And with being one of the emerging leaders in foundry coatings, we ensure that our coatings are successfully tested with current industrial standards. Here is a time-lapse demonstration of our color change coatings inside the oven. Under the temperature condition of up to 180 degrees Celsius, it takes approximately 18 to 20 minutes for the coating to dry. We can visually observe that the pink color coating changes its color to mango yellow on complete drying. Hence, our coatings are also called as smart coatings. The following application is for mill liner castings. The coating used for the mold is Refracoat 888XLCC (M). As time passes, the coating starts to dry. This can be observed by the color change effect of the coating. As the mold finally passes through the oven, we can notice complete moisture removal from the coating. We recommend the use of Refracoat 888XLCC(C), which is specially designed for use on cores. This special coating helps in eliminating sand fusion inside the bolt area. These two specially modified coatings, combined together, are helping various foundries in India and worldwide achieve the desired casting finish for mill liners. The next coating application is for the automobile sector. Our specially designed coatings provide fast matting as well as good penetration of the coating inside the surface of the core and mold. You can visually observe that the coating changes color from pink to yellow after passing through the oven. For reference, we can observe the cross-section area of the test core on which the coating has been applied. It is clearly visible that the coating has good penetrating properties inside the core, which eventually provides fast matting of the coating. The following coating application is for the windmill sector. On torching, the coating changes its color from purple to yellow, indicating complete moisture removal. Our color-changing coatings provide ease in applying multiple coats, which eventually prevents sand fusion defects due to optimum dry film thickness. The next application is for carbon steel grade of casting. The coating used here is Refracoat 256, which is a solvent-based coating. It is recommended that the second coat should only be applied after letting the first coat attain the ambient temperature. The final application is for carbon steel grade. The weight of the casting is around 950 kg. With this coating, we, at Shamlax, have provided a single-step solution for eliminating all casting-related defects. With more than 3 decades of experience, we are helping foundries cast a better future. We are Team Shamlax.